Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm doing things that you passed up or just don't really think about, since we all, just play Animal Jam and stuff. So first, number one thing is this ant colony right here. This ant colony on the iPad is pretty abandoned. Like, no one really ever messes with it. Like, it's just like it's over here, just like randomly here, like not getting bothered or what or anything. Yeah, like it's like no one cares for it. Yeah, I can't stand over there forever, right? Another thing is when you dance by this fire, when you get enough people, Mira comes. And I'm just going to be walking around, not pausing this, but yeah. Another thing is, another thing that's pretty cool that we didn't know probably is when you go in here, you don't notice all these things, but there's just this random temple of Zio statue. If you can't see it, right there. Yeah. So that's another thing. And even another thing is even another thing is I'm just gonna say this is a thing, but this is a thing that many people don't respect. People don't respect and get how much AJHQ put hard work into this game and effort, because there would be no famous jammers if AJ didn't create. And another thing is there's just a random patch of brown, the actual ground. And another thing is there's this little bird up here. And yeah. And there's a journey book, and there's a journey book, and a groundhog pops up right there. And the other people probably didn't know that there was these crystals right here. And yeah. And if you look, and if you go this way, there's these flowers right here. Those people probably didn't know that. And there's this frozen dinosaur stuck in here. And yeah. Time to go in the hot cocoa hut. Let's see if there's anything that people don't really look into here. Okay, so another thing is that people overlook how they put the handle right by the handle. There's these brown things, and there's details up there. Many people don't pay attention to all these details Animal Jam put into this game, and just play Animal Jam for rares and stuff. That's not what Animal Jam is just for. Okay, there's even something on the map. So we ended up right here, but back at Crystal Sands. And if you look on the map, everything looks okay, but if you look on the Temple of Zeus map, there's an elephant statue. And yeah. And there's a little part of it missing right by Jamal Township. I can't go to Jamal Township, but yeah. There's these little like holes in this wall thing. And also that I noticed is that leads to Mount Shiver. But Mount Shiver is all the way over there and Crystal Sands are right there. Like, how? Maybe most people don't know that you can walk up here. But yeah. And most people don't know that there's like a little pool right here. So yeah. And then there's these little shells right at the end. Now if we go here, let's take a look over here. Okay. Another thing that's probably here is when you go here, there's just like a random flower. And if you go over here, you can see those like gecko pop out soon. You've probably seen it in another one of my videos, but yeah. See that gecko? I don't know if you guys seen it, but yeah. And probably another thing is there's a little pathway back there. See it? I don't know if you guys seen the gecko, but yeah. Okay. Sorry guys, I just trying. Okay, so there's really nothing mischievous and that I just wanted to walk through at least, but I guess I can't. So we've always covered all those grounds, and now I'm gonna go to Coral Canyons. Okay. So in the Wolf Cave, there's nothing really special. Well, there's just like stuff in here that you can buy. Okay. And yeah, another glitch, is how can the Arctic Wolf's head fit out of that little cave hole? In Coral Canyons, you know, you think it's a little like nothing, and then you just walk. And when you actually take your time, you see that there's something over here and the cactuses are blocking it. And right over here, you see there's a scorpion. And these, like, random, like, cups. It doesn't describe the cups, but yeah. And another feature that they didn't know is probably that falcon in the sky. And look, there's just more cups right there. Another thing is that many people probably don't know that there's a snake right there. Sorry being coughing, I'm just like a little sick. Well, I'm not sick, but yeah. And, oh, right here. Okay, so it looks like it's high in the actual thing. But, like, here. Like, it's really low. That's the window. The other, like, thing above it. But, when you look in here, the actual window should have been already there. But the windows, like, there's an entrance, like, and there's a waterfall, but there's an entrance. And here's this all the way up there saying it's in the sky, but actually it's just like way down towards the grounds. And I think another weird thing is that if you go here, sorry about that. If you go here, there's this pond, but there's grass, but like if you look, these rocks kind of look like they lead up to something. Well, at least to me. And there's a wind chime right there. You can go up the tree. There's a glitch right here. It's really hard to do it. And there's something back there, like on there, but you can get up here on this. So yeah, guys, also there's a lot of ways you can do the cocoa. So yeah, shout out to yeah, not really any shout outs, but yeah, I lied for a second. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Instagram and Twitter will be probably down there in the description, maybe. So yeah, bye. Okay, so yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Yeah, see you guys next time. Don't forget to check out my other videos and stuff. And yeah, bye.